Brahmos missile misfiring into Pakistan cost India 24 crore, says Centre. The accidental firing of a Brahmos combat missile into Pakistan in March last year led to a loss of 24 crore to the state exchequer, the Union government told Delhi High Court. Amit Shah to hold talks with all stakeholders in Manipur violence. Union Home Minister Amit Shah landed in Manipur on Monday night, aiming to defuse ethnic tension that have killed 80 people in the northeastern state this month. Indian origin student shot dead during robbery attempt in US, says report. A 21-year-old Indian student named Jude Chachko was shot dead in Philadelphia, Khaleej Times reported on Monday. Libya court sentences 23 to death for Islamic State campaign. A Libyan court sentenced 23 people to death and another 14 to life in prison on Monday for their role in a deadly Islamic State campaign.